my little scientists out there. Welcome to the Urban Impact Lab! All right, scientists. For this experiment, we are going to do it inside the kitchen because everything for this experiment you could probably find inside your kitchen. So you're going to need some dish soap or some hand soap, pepper, water, and a plate or a bowl. All right, so you're going to take your bowl. You're going to take your water, pour that water in the bowl. Take your pepper, fill up that bowl with pepper. Now, watch what happens when I try to stick my finger in the water. Nothing, just covered with pepper. But watch what happens when I took a little bit of that soap, put it on my finger. Wow, science. And now let's go back to Miss Jess in the science lab.
Today's experiment is going to be a little bit messy, so it's best to do it outside or on a table that's easy to clean. You can see that I've got my smock on today and what are serving as my safety goggles on, because this also will get a little bit warm because we're using activated yeast. So today, what you will need for this experiment is you will need some hydrogen peroxide, which you can find at any drugstore or grocery store, and you might even have it in your mom's cupboard, but be sure to ask her before you grab it, and she should probably be there the whole time you're doing this experiment. So make sure you grab an adult first. That's very important. You will also need some dish soap. Any type of dish soap will work, and you'll also need some yeast. And you can find little packets of dry yeast at your grocery store. That's what's gonna work the best for this experiment. If you can't find that, you can also try some yeast that looks like this. It's a little flaky, and you will need some warm water. So what I'm gonna be telling you today will be the instructions for if you have a 20-ounce bottle. So it will probably be a little bit different from what you'll see me doing. A 20-ounce bottle might be like a soda bottle you cut the top off of or something like that. So if you're using a soda bottle, you will want to first take your peroxide and you're going to fill it up to a half of a cup. So you're doing a half cup of peroxide. And then you're going to use a quarter cup of dish soap. Now you might be asking, why am I not measuring things? Well, my friend, I have a very special little beaker here that already has the measurements on the side. So I'm gonna stir this up a little bit. You can add some food coloring. I will not be because I'm not working outside and it might stain my table. But if you are outside, feel free to add a little bit of food coloring in there. Then you're gonna take your active yeast packet and you're gonna put it in some warm water and you're gonna stir it up. And then you're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes so that it's activated before you start.
So we did some really fun, creative science experiments today. God, He is our ultimate creator. Psalm 139:14 says, I praise you because I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. So God created you. He knows every detail about you, and He loves you. I hope you have fun doing these science projects at home. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Help us reach even more families by sharing this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in giving or joining the Ministry of Urban Impact, please go to our website at uifpgh.org or click on the link in the description below.